Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video I want to show you how to change an icon of a folder or an icon of a shortcut. So we're gonna start with the shortcut. I've an application that I installed here and created this desktop shortcut. So I want to change this icon. I want to change this icon. So for you to change an icon, right click on it, click properties, right? So make sure that you're on this tab shortcut and then click change icon. You can see that there are icons here. I can change an icon. Okay, apply. So you see this icon has changed. So maybe I have my own icons that I have my own icons here in this folder, these icons. So I want to set one of them here. So I click change icon, browse, and I click this icon, open, okay, apply. You see this icon has changed. So I've already done this. This is a folder and this is an icon. You can see it here. This is a shortcut and this is a folder, but they have the same icon. I've set the same icon. So how do you set this the same icon for a folder? Let's create a new folder here. Let's call it now. Right click on it, click properties, click customized, click change icon, do the same again. I want to click this one. You can see this is a folder, but the icon has changed. If I double click on it, you can see this is a folder just like this one. If I double click on it, you can see this is a folder with another folder inside. So this is how you can change icons of your choice. You can change any icon of your installed programs. So thank you guys for watching my video. Please subscribe.